Yan, 2 years ha, 2 years ha. Nangako 7 pesos per kilo na bigas, ha?
Ito si Auntie Claire, parang away bata lang.
The current quota system
Kung anong binabatos kanyang salita, ibabalik sa'yo. Pero kaso sablay.
system
Ikaw panoorin mo.
rice can be imported more freely. This will give us additional resources for our farmers, reduce the price of rice by up to 7 pesos per kilo and lower inflation significantly. I ask Congress to prioritize this crucial reform, which I have certified as urgent today, pesos.
Oh. Kaya mo ginawa yung batas, rice certification daw to eh. Para yung gusto mong 7 pesos na kada kilo ay mangyari ha. 7 pesos per kilo rice then after. Okay, yan ha. Yan, 2 years ha, 2 years ha. Nangako 7 pesos per kilo na bigas ha. Because of the rice certification law.
So dito na siya sumablay. Hindi reduce to ha, reduce by.
For our farmers, reduce the price of rice by up to
Hindi ano ba yun, Auntie Claire?
7 pesos.
Ang linaw.
For our farmers,
Kahit hindi masyado marunong mag-English, naintindihan nun.
of rice
Reduce by. Hindi reduce to ang nakalagay. Reduce by.
up to 7 pesos per kilo.
Iwan ko sa'yo, Auntie Claire.